Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce the need for translation with WordReference, complete guide step by step clearly. To reduce the need for translation using WordReference, start by familiarizing yourself with the platform. Visit the WordReference website or download the mobile app. Create an account if necessary, though browsing is usually available without one. Begin by entering the word or phrase you want to understand in the search bar. Review the provided definitions in the original language. Explore the multiple dictionary options listed, focusing on the one that aligns with your language pair. Take note of any synonyms and antonyms presented, as they can deepen your understanding. Check the context usage examples to see the word in practical sentences. Use the forums section to ask questions or view discussions related to your search term. Experiment with different word forms to see how they affect meaning and usage. If applicable, switch to the conjugation section for verbs to understand their forms. Pay attention to idiomatic expressions linked to your term to broaden your language skills. Use the audio feature for pronunciation guidance, ensuring accurate speaking practices. Leverage the thesaurus to find alternatives that might be familiar to you. Engage with community contributions which often contain additional insights and usage tips. Regularly incorporate WordReference into your daily language practice for continuous improvement. Apply your new vocabulary and sentences to solidify your understanding and retention. Ultimately, the goal is to rely less on direct translations and enrich your language skills instead. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.